Hannah, are you playing with your brother?
Yes.
Are you showing him how to play with all of those toys?
Yeah.
Which one does he like the best?
This bath.
He likes that one? What color is it? You cleaning up? Well, let him have one. Clean up. That's right. Oh, I see. Uh-oh, now he has nothing to play with. Do you want to give him something?
Gorgeous.
Sure. Can you play with that? Hi, Winston. A ball?
Ball for you.
Why don't you give him some keys?
Keys go.
They're the toy keys.
My toys.
The ones that, you remember you push the green button? Yeah, those. You can give him those. Winston, I'm sorry, honey. Your sister's not sharing yet. Hannah, can you roll him over? Roll him onto his back. Careful. Take up by his tummy. There you go. Roll him over.
I do by myself.
You can do it by yourself. Go ahead.
No.
You gonna help him?
Over.
There you go. Oh, be gentle. Like this. You can roll him like this. Whee! That's good, Hannah. Thank you.